Hello guys and welcome back to this video. So in this particular video tutorial, we're going to be talking about Bybit copy trading, and specifically we're talking about the copy trading on the TradFi platform, how to copy my personal gold trade and then any other trader that you wish to copy. So the first thing you want to do in order to start trading FX pairs, to start trading gold, stocks and all of that on Bybit, you need to get to level 2 verification on your account. So to know that you're on level 2 verification, go to your profile icon at the top left right here, click on that. And by the way, if you're on the Bybit app, in order to follow everything I'm showing you here step by step, make sure that you switch to the pro version, okay? So once you click on the profile icon, you want to go ahead and click on this arrow here to take you to your profile details. And once you click on that, you'll see where it says identity verification. Click on it. Mine is level 2 already because I've been using it to trade. So you can see it's on level 2 already. So you just click on it. And once you click on it, you see that I am at the highest level of the verification. But in your own case, what you want to do, the first level of verification requires that you use your NIN. For those of you who are Nigerian, or any valid government-issued ID card, either a driver's license, your international passport, and all of that. Then the second level of verification requires an address, proof of address. So in that case, you can use, some of us use NIN, some are using bank statement for the past 3 months. So just use that to do your verification. That way you'll be able to now start trading Forex pairs and other, FX pairs on the Bybit app. That way, even if you are going to copy people's trade as well, you need that level 2. So that's the first thing to do. After doing that, if you want to copy my own personal trade, I will send you a link directly to my page. I will send the link directly to my page. And the criteria for doing that is that you must sign up with my Bybit affiliate link. The link will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that. Or if you are with us on Telegram, you can equally see the link posted there very often. But first and foremost, before I go to my own personal page, here on the Bybit app, you'll see where the option where it says trades, go ahead and click on trades. And once you're on the trade option, you see these different menus at the top, okay? So if you want to trade spot, you go here, features, you go here, options, you go here. But our concern here is the TradFi option. So make sure that you're on the TradFi option. And once you are here, you have access to all of these FX pairs right here. Gold included, Tesla, and all of this. If you want to trade them, you can go ahead. And if you are with me on my community, you can equally be trading this with the signal that I share every day. But if you want to copy my trades or any other trader, you go to the copy trading option. That is after you've done your verification, come in here and click on the copy trade option. Before you get to the copy trading option, you need to fund your account. So if I go back and I go to asset right here, you'll see that Bybit has the funding wallet. They have the unified trading wallet. This, you can use whatever funds that are here to trade spot, to trade options, to trade features and all of that, right? And then you have the end option where you stake your token, and you have the copy trading option. Then down here, you see the TradFi option, right? So here, this is, you can see here is the third-party platform that is integrated into Bybit. So you need to fund this. And whatever funds you have here will not be showing in the overview of your Bybit funds account. Right now, I am on the overview, okay, of my asset. It will not be showing here. You need to go to the TradFi option to do that. Now, how do you fund the TradFi option? We'll go back to trade. And once you're on the trade option, you click on transfer. Okay, so once you click on transfer option, now you have the option to transfer from your funding wallet to your TradFi account. Or you can click on this arrow drop down right here, and you have the option to transfer either from your unified trading account or from your funding wallet, depending on where you have your USDT. So once you transfer it in, you will see your asset showing up right here. Okay, so once the asset is showing up right here, you can now use that funds right here to trade any of these pairs right here, or you can use it to copy traders. So if you want to copy, you go and click on the copy trading option. Once you click on it, it brings you to this page. So right here, before you go into the copy trading, if you are doing this for the first time, you can see that this will be highlighted for you, this particular one here. So if you want to take that risk, okay, of copying my trades with risk free, Right here, it means that if you copy my trade or any other trader with this particular option here, just make sure that you click on the claim option, right? Once you come in here, if you claim this, if your first trade, your first copy trade is a losing trade, Bybit will refund you up to 100 USDT, right? It means if the person loses $50, Bybit will refund it, and the maximum you can get is $100 return on any loss you make for copying any trader. So make sure that you accept that, right? So if you scroll down here, you can see different traders right here. If you want to know what this trader particularly trade, for instance, this person for the past 30 days, you can see this particular trader is up 600%. So you can go ahead and click on that particular trader, and you see the number of followers, you see the days the trader has been trading, and you can see the performance right here. You can check for 30 days, for 90 days, for 7 days, and you see all of that. All right. So you can scroll down here and see every details. You can go to the trades option and you see if there are current trades. Okay. And you can equally click on the close trades option and see the past, the history of this particular trader. You see that this particular trader trades the NAS 100. Okay. That's the token that this particular trader trades. So if you want to copy this particular trader, you just go ahead and click on the copy option. And majority of them trades just gold alone, and some trade only Euro USD. If I go to this particular one, go to the close position, you can see this one is a fan of gold. This one trade gold just like me. So any of this trader you want to copy, you can either click on the copy option or you go and click and see more details. If you see the trade history and see that, oh, this person is trading gold or is trading as 100, is trading Euro USD or any of the pairs that you prefer, you just go ahead and click on the copy option down here. So if you click on the copy option down here, all right, so you can see the option to add your investment. Minimum you can copy this particular trader with is $200. So you can go ahead and click on that, and then you can check this and then you copy now, right? You put in the amount there. So by now you would have, if you don't have your funds right there, you can click on the plus icon here to transfer, and you will now start copying this particular trader. Whenever this trader takes a trade, the trade will automatically be reflecting in your own account, right? You can see a lot of traders right here and with good P&Ls. Okay, this person is up by 520%. You can go ahead and check, and you see how much this is the master trader's profit, and then this is this particular person has made losses for the followers. That is for the last 30 days. Okay, you can see that details right here, and you can go now to the trades option. Go to, okay, this person currently have a trade running, right? You see that the person has a gold long trade currently running. When the market opens, this will actually start running in profit or running in losses. You can see this person trades, different pairs, not just gold alone. It trades different pairs in the rest. So if you want, you can go ahead and just click on the copy option and you are good to go. Now, if you want to copy my own personal trade, I send you a link directly. Once you send me your UID and I verify that you sign up with my account and you have made deposit and your account is verified, then I'll send you a link to copy my trade. And all you need is just to click on that link. So once you click on the link, it opens up automatically inside of your app. Okay, it opens up automatically. You can see it right here. Okay, you can see the days I've been trading. You can see my performance right here. You can go to the trades option. You see there is no open position, but you can see my close position right here. And all of the profit and losses that I've been making, you can see those details there. And you see that it's only gold that I trade right here. So once you're okay with it, just go ahead and click on copy. This account is already copying my trades, okay? So that's why you only see details right there. So you can just click on details and you see the progress so far on this account. So this account is already copying my trades. And because this account is copying my trades already, you see the option to adjust investment, either to reduce your investment or to add more to your investment. So if you want to do that, if you click on the adjust investment option, you see two different options here. Do you want to invest more or you want to reduce your investment? So if you start copying my trades and I make profit for you and you want to take part of that money out, you come in here, click on details and then adjust investment and you click on the reduce investment, okay? With this, you can now withdraw part of that money out and then you transfer it to your funding account and you use it to go enjoy yourself, right? So if you want to start copying my trades, if you like what you see here and you want me to start making money for you trading gold, whether I trade midnight, during the day, or in the evening, this is the step-by-step guide on how to copy my trades or any other trader on this platform. So go ahead and take advantage of it. Use the link in the video description, or you check out my bio for that. Sign up for a Bybit account, get to the level 2 verification, and then send me your UID, and I'll send you a link to copy my trades directly. And if you're with me on the community, you can equally take every trade that I share with the community as regards gold trading and every other crypto pairs too that I trade every day. So that is it for this video. If you are new to this channel, you know what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that whenever we publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. If you are following me on any other social media platform, make sure you hit that follow button. And if you are not on Telegram, use the link in the video description or check out my bio and join us on Telegram, where we share the free signals every day. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, bye.